am Aditi Kadam with my partner Aditya, and today we're gonna introduce you with constellation. You may be stargazed or used to be stargazing at nights, because I usually do. We saw stars making different shapes and images that look so good. Actually, these images are constellations. But for a more defined view, let me give you a general definition about that. So, constellations. Constellation is a group of stars which make up imaginary outline or pattern in the night sky. Usually they are said to represent an animal or a mythological person, creature in the shape. When seen, the group of stars seem to be like a pattern, a beautiful pattern which we saw in the night sky and looks so good. The word constellation comes from con meaning together and stella means stars, together stars. Stars are collected together, which means group of stars. So let us move on to the first constellation we will study in this video is Orion. So Orion is prominent constellation located at the celestial equator and visible throughout the world. It is the most conspicuous and recognizable constellation in the night sky. It is named after Orion, a Greek hunter in a Greek mythology. Its brightest stars are blue white Rigel, Beta Orionis, and red Betelgeuse, Alpha Orionis. So let us move on to the second constellations, Ursa Major. Ursa Major constellations lie in the northern sky. Its name means the great bear or the large bear. You may be familiar with the Ursa Minor constellation also, in which this Ursa Minor means that small bear and Ursa Major is large bear. So you can learn it like this way: Ursa Major is the great bear and Minor is small bear. So Ursa Major is the largest northern constellation and the third largest constellation in the sky. How big it is, you know how large, third largest constellation in the night sky. Its brightest star from the Big Dipper, Asterism, one of the most recognizable shape in the universe, also shows as Plo. Plo is the most recognizable shape in the universe in the night sky we used to see. And Ursa Major is well known in most world cultures and associated with a number of myths. It is also connected with a lot of myths, you know, and it was one of the constellation catalogued by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century. In the Greek mythology, it is associated with Callisto, a nymph who turned into a bear by Zeus' jealous wife Hera. Ursa Major contains a number of notable stars. Ursa Major contains a lot of stars and the famous deep sky object. These includes Ursa Major also include pinwheel galaxies M01, also known as M01, and Bode's galaxies and Cigar galaxies. Maybe our next video on the galaxies. Hope you enjoy the galaxies too, like these constellations. So let us move on to the third constellation of the video and the last one for this video only, Virgo. Virgo is one of the most big constellation of the zodiac. It is named in Latin for Virgin, lying between Leo to the west and Libra to the east. It is the second largest constellation in the sky. Second largest. This is much bigger than Ursa. This is also bigger than Ursa Major in the sky after Hydra. Not that Hydra. Don't go to that. Not this Hydra. We are talking about the Hydra constellation, which is the biggest one. And the largest constellation, the Zodiac. Virgo is also the largest constellation, the Zodiac. The ecliptic intersect the celestial equator within the constellation and Pisces. Underlying these technical two definitions, The sun passes directly overhead of the equator within these constellations at the September equinox. At the September, it move ahead of equinox, and Virgo can be easily found through its brightest star, Spica. Virgo is also found through its brightest star, Spica. You can just identify Virgo in the universe by noticing the brightest star in it. So here we concluded with the constellations today. So last but not the least, we keep on connecting with you via this virtual platform, and hope you like it, enjoyed the video. So do like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.